Alright, so quick tutorial on the Alesis SR-16. I'm just going to be covering how to remove the clicking sound when you're creating your own beats and removing the reducing the reducing the volume. So we go to, this is the standard setting, obviously. Alright, cool. Now to create your own beats, I'm just going to show you how to remove the clicking. Go to preset user. You're in an empty pattern now. Now you need to go to, it's on perform mode. You need to go to compose mode. You are now in compose mode. Now this is the clicking. I press play. 90 beats. So if you want to remove it, quickly just go to record setup. There are the pages displayed. There are 10 pages that let you modify the sequencing of the rhythm, etc. But so in this case, we're going to go to page 3, which we go on the tempo. There it is, the clicks select. There you go, you're changing the sequencing there. And it's been removed. Just by going on these dials, not on the tempo, but these dials, which you can see. They let you modify that sequence. I removed them. There you go, it's on off. And then let's turn it back on. Let's go to page 4 on the tempo, and there's the volume. You could just kind of adjust it based on how you want to do it. There you go. And let's just add a little. Make a small little demo, of course. There we go. And let's go to page 3 again just to see. Let's remove that click. Oops. There we go. Again, you're changing the page with the tempo, and then you're making the modifications. Once you're in that specific page, you will modify or change the sequencing with these dials. So that's it. Removing the click on the Alesis SR-16.